AriTan Erasable Drawing Pad TOYS, Bird, Road Trip Car Travel Airplane Activities, Magna Double-Sided Reuse PP Portable Writing Board for Kids Toddlers Boys Girls Gift Age 2 3 4 5 6 7 8-year-old. 12 replacement pens. If you need to buy an additional 12 replacement pens, you can search for B07YHFDF8T suitable size. The size of the drawing book is 8x8 inches, a total of 14 pages, giving your child a large enough painting area. It can be placed in a school bag for easy carrying. The edges of the AriTan doodle board are rounded and will not harm the children in use. Safe, reusable, made of high-quality PP material. Durable, lightweight and easy to use. It is safe for children. The drawing book is equipped with 12 special dust-free watercolor pens, which are colorful and can be easily wiped off with a wet tissue without any traces. Cultivate your child's creativity and imagination. Note: you need to use wet wipes or wet rags to erase the handwriting. Easy to carry, the doodle book comes with a pen pocket that can be used in cars, planes, restaurants and on trips. It's easy to put into a backpack, and kids of all ages can have fun. Perfect gift, the perfect gift to unleash your child's creativity. Keep your child from painting on the wall or floor. Give it to your child and let him enjoy painting. If you have any questions, please contact us by email and we will solve it for you immediately.